Today we're going to talk about for loops. I'll give you real-world analogies and also show you the syntax and how it works in the code. So let's dive in. So first, what are for loops? Well, imagine you're in a ballroom and all the chairs are disorganized and your task is to arrange them. Where would you start? Obviously, you would either go row by row or column by column, but it's going to be in an orderly manner. You won't arrange the first chair and then go to the last one and then the center. You arrange them sequentially, which is first, second, third, till you get to the end. This is the main concept of for loops. So let's see how we can write this in code. So I've gone ahead to add some code. So I'm just going to explain what's happening here using real world illustration. So first, we're creating a constant variable called fruits, which has an array of names of fruits. So a way you can think of this is you have a garden, and in that garden, there's a tree that has fruits, which are apple, banana, cherry, date, and elderberry. So now let's come down here. So this is how you write a for loop in JavaScript, by the way. You can easily just copy the syntax, but I'm going to explain what's happening here. So now your task is to go to that garden, go to that specific tree, and pluck out all the fruits on that tree, put them into your basket, and go home to present the results. So what's happening here? First, in the for loop, we're creating a let variable called I. So you can think of this I as your basket. So initially, when you get to the garden, your basket is empty, hence let I equal to 0. So now your task is to pluck out all the fruits on the tree and put them in your basket. So you get there, your basket is empty, which is 0. So now you want to check if the number of fruits in your basket is less than the number of fruits on the tree called fruits, which is I is less than fruits.length. So if the number of fruits in your basket is less than the number of fruits on the tree, you pluck one more fruit and add it to your basket, which is the I++. So what's happening down here? So we have the fruits bracket I. So in JavaScript, all these arrays are numbered starting from index 0, 1, 2, 3. So now, can think of this that, okay, first, I plug the first fruit, which is index 0, which is the apple fruit, and then I put it in my basket. Then I take a picture so that I know which fruit I've plucked, what number, the number and the name of the fruit. So I plug the first fruit, put it in my basket. I check the tree to see if there are still fruits on the tree. If there are still fruits on the tree, I pluck another one. I take a picture. I put it in my basket. I keep going like this until I get to the end. And when I get to the end, which means I've plucked all the fruits on the tree and put them in my basket, then I go home and I present the result, which is the console.log. So let's run this. So to run this code, I just type node loops.js and we can see it presents all the fruits in an orderly manner, which is from the index 0, which is the apple, down to elderberry, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can see this is what's happening here. Okay. So I hope you have a better understanding of for loops in JavaScript. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.